Good facial, like this. You put them in your hair.
Oh, hey, there's already a chicken in there.
Guys, we have so much going on today. We have a crew coming in and they're gonna build a gigantic chicken coop. We have chickens coming in, an egg incubator. Anthony and Papa Veezy are getting their hair cut. So stay tuned. We have an awesome episode.
It's gonna be fire! Oh.
We found a bunch of duck eggs and now we're gonna try to incubate them.
How long does it have to stay in here?
30 days.
So for 30 days, this thing's gonna be in here? Does it spin and stuff?
Yeah, it has an egg turner.
What's temperature is it supposed to be? I think it's 95 degrees and 55 degrees humidity. We're gonna put all these eggs in this incubator. We're gonna let it run for 30 days and we're gonna see what happens. You remember what we posted on Instagram? That big giant package that I said was getting delivered?
What the heck is that?
Oh yeah, that's gonna be for a future video. It's time to show you guys what that was all about. We got in contact with Matt from Carolina Coops. We explained to them we need a chicken coop immediately. These guys dropped what they were doing, drove all the way down from North Carolina and started building this. Dude, you got some paint in your beard.
Yeah, I know.
So today is paint and base. They're laying the base of it. I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. These guys got the call day before yesterday. And they were actually doing a job in North Carolina?
Yes, North Carolina.
They were doing a job in North Carolina. And like I said, I was on the phone with Matt, one of the owners of Carolina Coops. Next thing you know, they dropped everything and just started driving. This is gonna be the base of it right here. It's gonna go all the way to the back.
So after we get the base in, we're gonna rebar it in the ground. We're getting the coop painted right now. Once we get the coop painted, get 2 coats on it so it's all nice. We're gonna install the walls and chicken, the hen house is down there. We're gonna put the hen house together and all that. Get the roof on it. We put in gutters for a water bar. We have water bars.
You're saying you're gonna put the gutters in. I don't think I ordered that, but he said it, so now we have to get it, right?
Oh, you were talking about it yesterday, right?
Yo, you guys might have noticed, me and Anthony are looking a little rough right now. So here with our boy Omar, he's gonna hook up Anthony's hair and do something with that mop.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up.
So what do you think? Got our hair done. Now we need to get back to the farm because I think we're going to get chickens now. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hey, 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 hey. While we were away getting haircuts, these guys got a lot done for the chicken coop. You see how they're all, so you can't, it's not just screws sticking out. Like a lot of chicken coops that you would buy, you would see the screws and then the chickens would start picking at them and messing up their beaks and all that. These guys do it right.
This right here, this is the hen house. This is where the roost bars are gonna go. And these openings right here there's gonna be another box on the outside of this where the chickens can go in and lay their eggs. And then when you go on the outside, there's gonna be a door that will drop down. You guys can reach right in and grab the eggs from the outside.
On both sides?
Yep, on both sides. There's gonna be a door like this that flips down so you can clean it out and all that. And then up here are gonna be 2 doors that open up like this.
Oh, we missed it. Dude, llama poop? Oh God, I'm actually standing in it. So llama poop is like black gold, they call it. It's such good fertilizer. We're gonna start collecting it and selling bags. We're literally gonna have the Veezy Kids llama poop for sale on VeezyKids.com. Site's almost done. Be sure to check out maybe a week or so after this post. If you're not following us on Instagram, you should, because a lot of the updates I post on Instagram, like the release of our website, release of new merch, when a video is about to come, a lot of that stuff comes on Instagram. So make sure you guys are following Veezy Kids on Instagram.
Wait, there's no room for a break unless it's a
I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, 100s, thousands, millions, billions.
So while this day is getting busy with haircuts and chicken coops and feeding animals and this and that, then it starts pouring rain. So, yeah.
Llama's in the house.
Llamas went in the house though, that's pretty dope. Hector, I know you watch all my videos. The llamas are using the house. So now, we gotta go pick up chickens in the rain. Oh my God. It's a monsoon and your baby is out! Get in the house, baby!
Dad!
What?
I'm a runner, I'm a
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
But now we gotta go because we got the call said that our chickens are ready. And it's raining, but we gotta go get our chickens.
What just happened?
Bro, the freaking window thing just fell off while I was trying to drive. This is the roll up and down the window. This is ridiculous. Let's go get these chickens.
Okay.
I want everybody to meet my friend Aaron.
What's happening, man? Long
Alright,
time no
so-
see. Good facial, like this. You put them in your hair.
Oh, he's got the chickens. You're gonna see them in a second. We're gonna pick up 20 of them, and we're also gonna learn about eating chickens.
What? No, no.
One.
Okay.
We are gonna shoot a video here one of these upcoming nights where we're gonna go around, and I'm gonna give you a sneak peek, and we're gonna go in here, and we're gonna play with all these guys that are in here. No, I can't show you guys now. So we got special guests today throwing the yeet. Told you guys we got Carolina Coops out here.
In the water.
In the water. So the end of day one, and I want to check this monster out. It is dope. You guys see this thing? What? Look at the llamas like it. They're over here. Hey, you guys, your job is to protect the chickens once we get them in here. They need to know their job. Hey, what's your name? Bill. Linda. Your job is to protect these chickens. Starting probably here, it's gonna be the run. And it's gonna be just all fenced in. So the chickens are gonna just be playing right in this area. I think I got one of these automatic doors where you can put it on your phone and with an app, and you can control the time and when it opens and closes. Very happy how it's turning out, man. Shout out to Carolina Coops for this. This is nice. Awesome job so far. Can't wait to see what happens tomorrow. So we're finished with day one of this whole chicken debacle. Getting this stuff built, getting the chickens, and excuse the mess, we're still moving in. But this is the 20 chickens. Got their heat lamp. It's actually kind of hot, but their temperature is perfect in there. And there's all 20 of them with one duck. We just woke up. I looked out the window. I couldn't believe these guys were here so early. They're here early knocking this thing out. You guys remember it last night. This was a couple hours ago. It looked like this, which is amazing. But then, look at this. The roof is on.
Around the screen, covered with tires.
This is where all of the hens are gonna be sitting on a pole across here, just chilling, dropping eggs in this one and this one. Paul's supposed to be getting this out of here soon for his pigs. Hey, viewers, if you're watching this, tag Paul Cafaro, and say, come and get this out of here. All right, thank you.
What's going on, guys? My name is Matt with Carolina Coops, and we are down at Veezy Kids doing a American coop, chicken coop. What makes this coop and all our coops special is, number one, the size. So important. So many people do not realize how important it is to have the right size chicken coop. Number two is we are woodworkers, and we're not only woodworkers, we are snobs. We love not just the type of joinery we use, which is pocket hole joinery, which is very strong. We also use all Doug fir, which is a phenomenal strong wood. All right, so number three, and this is probably one of everyone's favorite parts, is it's very functional. You have a deep litter system, so it's very easy to clean, and you don't have to clean it but for over a year, okay? And number four, it's beautiful. Why not have a beautiful looking chicken coop?
So let me ask you, Matt, if our viewers wanted to go check you guys out, where would they go?
CarolinaCoops.com.
Last episode, Austin said, and because of that, he wins some free merch.
Free Veezy Kid merch. Listen, you guys want to win some merch? become a subscriber, comment down below, and you have a chance to win some free Veezy Kid merch. And we got new merch coming that we're gonna tell you all about either later or on Instagram. Guys, if you have Instagram, follow Veezy Kids. Veezy Kids on Instagram. So I wanted to give you guys an update on what we got going on. So you see that the roof is all on. We got the wiring in. What's this wiring called?
Hardware cloth.
Hardware cloth. So this is where they're gonna be hanging out. And that's where they're gonna be coming out of. There's gonna be a ladder that goes down to the floor, and this is where they're gonna be chilling at. Hey, there's already a chicken in there. All right, Veezy Kids, now it's the end of day 2. There's a lot of stuff that's been done on this chicken coop. We just checked on the chickens, and they look good, right? They were, what do they say? Wait a minute, what the heck is that? Is that an Unspeakable shirt?
Yeah.
You're only allowed to wear Hawkafaro, Veezy Kids, Fanatic, and Blake shirts. Take that off now. You're not wearing that on this channel. Get it out of here. Throw that in the pool. We don't want that now. Oh, that's gonna be the thing where they drink out of.
Where?
Right here. What? The door was open the whole time? Can you imagine if the llamas got out and they were like walking around the yard? Yo, guys, look at how cool this is. So we got a gate, and it's got, oh, the predator apron's down.
What's that?
Oh, so nothing can dig under here. So they're gonna get this clipped down so nothing can dig under and go up inside there and mess with the chickens.
Big.
All right, so we're inside of here now. And why is there a baby goat out? Oh my God, what happens while we're gone? Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby goat?
I know where you got out.
What are you doing, baby goat?
I know where you got out.
Baby goat, what are you doing? Blake, if you're watching this video, your goat keeps getting out.
Here.
I missed the
How'd you get out, buddy? Don't drop it. Oh. There he is.
Trust me, goats jump.
He's back in.
All right, now let's go back to seeing this chicken coop. The roof is all filled, and they have the netting here so nothing can get inside of this. He left his hat, so if we wanted to wear that, we could. Yo! So they walk up here. So they go in here, and then you see an Anthony. All right, so anyway, guys, Veezy Kids, this is the end of day 2. Tomorrow, this thing should probably be 100% finished. So we'll check in with you guys, right?
Yeah. Okay, Veezy Kids, it's day 3, and this thing is pretty much done.
So we got your door here.
Door here. Open that.
Got your ladder. So they still have to put in the roosting bars, and we still got to put some kind of hemp in here.
Yep.
But this thing is pretty much done. We got ventilation all the way around. Automatic feeders, water bucket with the guttering system. So when it rains, the water goes in here, 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 right to there. We got the automatic door that we could set from 9 a.m. to like 9 p.m. So it just opens and closes whenever the sun is out, right?
Yeah.
Or my sun is out. Hi, son.
Yeah.
All right, that's pretty much it, guys. This thing is ready to roll. Look at the egg hutch. How do you work the hen house?
I think you have to...
Boom. And that's where you're gonna get your eggs every morning.
They lay the eggs, and then you have to grab it from here, and they might bite you.
Who's gonna bite you?
The hens might bite you.
Yeah,
I've seen YouTube videos where they grab the eggs and they peck you and...
All right, so that's what the roost bars are gonna look like. They're gonna be straight across here.
I can see.
And this right here is gonna be put on here. And this is gonna be filled with hemp. And there's gonna be 3 of these bars, wrapped of course, to protect your chicken's fingers and hands. What do you think about the new chicken coop?
It's a chicken.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. Special shout out to Aaron at Wild Cargo Pets for hooking us up with all these chickens. Special shout out to Matt from Carolina Coops for having his crew drive all the way down here such short notice to build this ginormous chicken coop.
Subscribe, become a Veezy kid.
Like us!
Hit the bell icon to join the Noti gang.
And remember, never pee in the wind. See y'all next time.
Very important.